Hello, woodworking enthusiasts and DIY dreamers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a program that many of you have asked about, TedsWoodworking. If you're looking to build amazing projects, develop new skills, or even start a side hustle, you've probably come across it. Here at Skilled Learning, we review tools and programs that help you master practical skills. And TedsWoodworking is one of the best we've tested this year. In this comprehensive review, we're going to break down exactly what TedsWoodworking is. We'll explore everything included in the package, weigh the pros and cons, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your woodworking journey. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this program can truly elevate your craft. At its core, TedsWoodworking is a massive collection of woodworking plans. It's designed to be a comprehensive resource for anyone, from absolute beginners to more experienced woodworkers looking for new project ideas. Think of it as a digital library filled with blueprints for almost any wooden item you can imagine. The program aims to simplify the woodworking process. It provides detailed step-by-step instructions that guide you through each project from start to finish. This makes complex builds feel much more approachable, even if you're just starting out with basic tools. It's not just about the plans, though. TedsWoodworking positions itself as a complete skill-building system. It's intended to help you learn fundamental techniques and build confidence with every successful project you complete. This focus on practical application is a key part of its appeal. When you invest in TedsWoodworking, you're getting access to an incredible amount of content. The main draw is the sheer volume of plans, which number over 16,000. These plans cover a vast array of projects, from small crafts to large furniture pieces and even outdoor structures. Each plan typically includes detailed diagrams, material lists, and cutting lists. You'll also find step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, often accompanied by helpful tips and tricks. This level of detail is crucial for ensuring your projects turn out exactly as intended. Beyond the plans, the package often includes several valuable bonuses. These can range from a complete woodworking guide with essential techniques to a guide on starting a woodworking business. There are also typically video tutorials that demonstrate specific skills or project steps, which can be incredibly helpful for visual learners. You might also find CAD DWG software for customizing plans or a monthly woodworking magazine subscription. The exact bonuses can vary, but they consistently add significant value to the core offering. It's truly designed to be an all-in-one resource for your woodworking needs. One of the biggest advantages of TedsWoodworking is the sheer number and variety of plans. With over 16,000 options, you'll never run out of projects to build. This extensive library ensures there's always something new to learn and create, catering to diverse interests and skill levels. The step-by-step instructions are incredibly clear and easy to follow. This is a huge benefit for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by complex blueprints. The detailed guidance helps build confidence and ensures successful project completion, reducing frustration. Another significant pro is the comprehensive nature of the plans. They include everything from material lists to cutting diagrams, saving you time and effort in the planning stage. This allows you to focus more on the actual building process, which is where the real learning happens. The included bonuses, such as the woodworking guides and video tutorials, add immense value. These resources go beyond just plans, offering foundational knowledge and practical demonstrations. They help you develop a deeper understanding of woodworking principles and techniques. TedsWoodworking is also a fantastic resource for skill development. By working through various projects, you naturally acquire new skills and refine existing ones. It's a practical way to learn by doing, which is often the most effective method for hands-on crafts. Finally, the program offers excellent value for money. Considering the vast amount of content and the potential for skill acquisition, the one-time investment is quite reasonable. It's a cost-effective way to access a lifetime of woodworking inspiration and instruction. While TedsWoodworking offers many benefits, it's important to address some potential drawbacks. One common point of feedback is the organization of the massive plan library. With so many plans, finding the exact one you're looking for can sometimes be a bit challenging. The sheer volume can also be overwhelming for some users. While having thousands of plans is a pro, it can also lead to decision fatigue. Beginners might struggle to choose where to start, given the vast array of options available. Another aspect to consider is the varying quality of the plans. While many are excellent, some older plans might not be as detailed or as visually appealing as newer ones. This inconsistency can occasionally lead to a less polished experience for certain projects. Some users have also noted that while the plans are detailed, they sometimes lack advanced techniques or highly specialized information. If you're an experienced woodworker looking for very niche or complex builds, you might find some limitations in that regard. Lastly, the program is entirely digital. While this offers instant access and convenience, it means you'll need to print out plans if you prefer a physical copy in your workshop. This isn't a major issue for most, but it's something to be aware of. TedsWoodworking is truly ideal for woodworking beginners and DIY enthusiasts. If you're just starting out and need clear step-by-step guidance, this program will be incredibly valuable. It removes much of the guesswork and helps you build confidence with each successful project. It's also perfect for those looking to expand their project repertoire. If you've built a few things but want new ideas and challenges, the vast library of plans will keep you busy for years. It's a fantastic source of inspiration for continuous learning. If you're interested in developing hands-on skills and learning by doing, TedsWoodworking provides the perfect framework. The practical nature of the plans means you're constantly applying new techniques and improving your craftsmanship. It's a great way to turn theoretical knowledge into tangible results. Finally, if you're considering a woodworking side hustle, the business guide and diverse project options can be a great starting point. You can build a wide range of items to sell, leveraging the detailed plans to ensure quality and efficiency. Here at Skilled Learning, we review tools and programs that help you master practical skills, and TedsWoodworking is easily one of the best we've tested this year. So, is TedsWoodworking the ultimate DIY skill-building program? For many, it absolutely is. It offers an unparalleled collection of plans, crystal-clear instructions, and valuable bonuses that make woodworking accessible, enjoyable, and rewarding, even for complete beginners. If you're ready to start building furniture, improving your hands-on skills, or even launching a woodworking side hustle, this program is definitely worth exploring. Oh, click the link in the description to access TedsWoodworking today and begin your journey with over 16,000 plans waiting for you.